By the way, my hair is purple. Hey guys, what's up? It's Meredith. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you some cute hairstyles that I like to do when I'm a little bit bored with my hair but I want something quick and easy. So if you're interested in seeing those, then just keep watching. I also wanted to do a quick side note. If my hair looks purple in any of the lighting, that's because it is. I accidentally dyed my hair purple because in order to preserve blonde like hair dye, you should use a purple shampoo, and so that's what I've been doing. But you're not supposed to use it every time you wash your hair, and I kind of forgot that once I started using it. So it's literally like turning purple, and I have yet to tell my hairdresser. So Sav, if you're watching this, help. So yeah, we're just doing a little spunky, something different lately. Like, it's literally lavender, which is cute, but like just not what I had in mind, but we're gonna go with it. Right there, it is straight up purple. Is this lighting gonna show it? Here, it is purple. I mean, it's cute, whatever, we'll roll with it. It's a little bit spunky, so just a little life change. I was at TJ Maxx and I was in the mirror aisle, and the lighting is so bright in TJ Maxx, so I was like in there and I was like, Jeff, does my hair look like gray? Because I know some girls that go blonde go like icy and it's like more whitish gray, but I don't normally love that for me. So I was like, is my hair gray? Like, why does it look so white? And then I looked, I was like, wait, it's like legit lilac. Like, why is it purple? I was freaking out, and I was like, oh my god, the day before I had washed my hair and I was like having such a quick shower, so I must have just like not rinsed it out enough. So Savannah, please don't kill me. We can fix it, right? Okay, so for my first hairstyle, I have my hair parted in the middle, and all I need is 2 bobby pins. So preferably pick bobby pins that are your hair color, so then they blend in easier. And what I'm going to do is just pick up like the first, I'd say like 1 to 2 inches of my hair, and I just twist them back. And while you're twisting back, kind of like bring it down, because if you're twisting like up and back, it's gonna like be bumpy and stuff. So kind of twist down and back. Lift a little bit of your hair up here. Secure that with a bobby pin, and then pull the hair over so it kind of hides it in the back. And then we'll do that with the other side. And while I'm twisting, I like to twist tighter than what I actually want the twist to be, because throughout the day your twist is going to loosen up and stuff. So again, lifting the hair up here and kind of tucking it under, and then pulling the hair over. So once the twists are back, that's when I kind of like to pull at the braid, not the braid, the twist, just a little bit to loosen it up and give it a softer look. And then I also like to just lower them a little bit so that they're even. And that's the first look. And then leaving these twists in, you can also turn it into a low bun too. So if you want to get your hair out of your face for whatever reason, turning this look into a bun is also really cute. So I'll show you how to do that. You're going to take the bobby pins you have in out and just try to hold on to the twists. then I'm using a hair elastic that is my hair color, just so it can kind of disguise it more. And I'm pulling my hair through like this, and then just kind of situating it. My hair is pretty short, so I haven't fully gotten the hang of making low buns with short hair. And then just securing whatever pieces are hanging out. And then what I like to do is I like to kind of tug forward so that it's just a little bit looser up here. And I like to take some face framing hairs out too, and maybe even a couple out of my twists. So at this point your twists should be pretty loose, and I just like that look, but if you don't like them, then you can twist them again and tighten them up. So this look is my second hairstyle using the twist from my first style. Okay, my next hairstyle is pretty similar to the first one, and all you're going to need is a clear elastic. So again, like in the first hairstyle, you're gonna grab this first section of hair, but instead of twisting it like this, you're gonna take it into two parts and wrap them around each other. And I like to wrap away from my face instead of in. Again, I'm keeping these twists tighter in the beginning because they will loosen up. I'm just gonna hold this twist with a bobby pin. Just for a second, I'm not leaving it like that. And then do the same thing on the other side. So grab one section of hair, section it off into two, and twist away. Then I'm just grabbing them in the center of the back of my head, grabbing this clear elastic, and I'm tying that. And then again, I'm just gonna go in and kind of tug at the twists to loosen them up and make them bigger and softer looking. And then another thing I will do is I will grab some hairspray and just spray along the twist to give them a better hold. And this is the third look. I really like this one. I kind of want to just leave my hair like this all day. The next hairstyle, it doesn't really matter how your hair is parted because we're just going to be doing a half up, half down. I'm probably just going to leave my hair parted in the middle. So I'm just going to start sectioning the top layer of my hair off, kind of combing it through with my fingers. I like this hairstyle a little bit messier, so that's why I'm not really fixing these bumps up here, but if you don't like your hair looking messy, then you can definitely comb through those and still get the same look. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little ponytail that I have sectioned off and I'm going to twist it into a bun and then secure it with a clear elastic. So then you're just gonna have this little bun, and I like to loosen it by pulling on the sides a little. I like to pull on the bun a little. Just kind of maneuver it however you want. And I like to pull just a few pieces out to shape my face. Sometimes I'll pull it down here. And this is the fourth look. Okay, so for the last hairstyle, part your hair to whatever side you want. I picked my right side, so my hair would fall to the left. And then grab your bangs or whatever you have. I guess I don't really have bangs. And I French braid it. And then just like the twist, you'll see me keeping my braid really tight. I'm gonna go back in and loosen that just like I did with the twists. And once I get halfway across my head is when I like to turn it into just a regular braid. And in this part, it's important not to pick up any extra pieces of hair like I'm doing. And then using your clear elastic to tie that up again. Okay, and then what I do is I kind of take the tops. Oh no, I have a bump. Whatever, I can fix that. I take the top section of my hair from the braid on, and I either flip it to the other side, or in this case I'll clip it just out of the way, and then pull the braid down. And bobby pin it. And then pull the hair back over. This is what it looks like after. And then you can also go in, I forgot to do this, and loosen up that braid. Again, maneuver it however you like. And add some hairspray if you'd like to. Also, this is my outfit today. I have this jean shirt from American Eagle, this tube top from Brandy Melville, and then these jeans are American Eagle as well. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked these hairstyles, and if you did, comment down below which one was your favorite. I'd love to hear back from you. And if you do try any of these hairstyles out on your own and post a picture on Instagram, then please tag me in it. I'll put my handle right here because I'd love to see your take on these hairstyles. Also, if you like content like this, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's the best way to let me know, basically. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I put on new videos just about every week. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.
There you go.
Nickelback? What?
Taylor Swift.
Oh, Taylor Swift. I'm sorry. Jeez,
Oh,
no.
he beat.
Got it. Crap. I put
What
that.
the f*** is Nickelback?
I was just thinking about the waterfront.